Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best water flossers available on the market right now. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a premium choice, we've got you covered. You can find links to all the products in the description below. So let's dive right in. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the COSLUS Water Dental Flosser Pick for Teeth. This is the most budget-friendly option on the list, priced at just $19.99. But don't let the low price fool you. It packs a surprising set of features, with 4 cleaning modes and adjustable water pressure ranging from 30 to 150 psi. It's designed to cater to users of all ages and oral care needs, from sensitive gums to braces. The flosser is equipped with a 300 milliliter detachable water tank, which is easy to clean and refill, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Plus, the IPX7 waterproof design makes it safe for shower use. In terms of design, the COSLUS flosser is lightweight and compact, making it ideal for travel or daily use at home. It includes 4 interchangeable nozzles, allowing multiple family members to use it. It's also backed by a 3-year durability claim, so while it's inexpensive, it's built to last. Performance-wise, the flosser delivers solid cleaning results thanks to its dual-pulse water streams and adjustable modes. However, the battery life, while decent, requires more frequent charging compared to higher-end models. Overall, the COSLUS C30 is a fantastic choice for anyone on a tight budget who still wants a reliable water flosser. The downsides include a slightly noisier operation and fewer advanced features compared to pricier models. But for under $20, it's hard to beat. Ideal for beginners or those looking for a simple and effective solution to maintain oral hygiene. Coming in at number 4, we have the Onlyone Water Dental Flosser, priced at $23.39. This flosser offers an impressive array of features for its price point. It operates at 1,500 to 2,000 pulses per minute, with adjustable water pressure ranging from 50 to 150 psi, making it 3 times more effective than traditional flossing. The 4 pressure modes and 5 included tips ensure a tailored cleaning experience. Whether you need a gentle setting for sensitive gums or a more intense clean for stubborn plaque. Plus, the memory function saves your last-use settings, adding convenience to your daily routine. The Onlyone flosser comes with a 300 milliliter BPA-free water tank that minimizes refilling, while its IPX7 waterproof rating makes it suitable for use in the shower. It's compact and lightweight, making it travel-friendly. And the battery life lasts up to 30 days on a single 3-hour charge. This flosser is also quieter than most models, operating at under 55 dB, which is a nice touch for those who prefer a quieter experience. However, users should be mindful to securely insert the nozzle to prevent water leaks. In terms of value, the Onlyone flosser offers great versatility and performance at an affordable price. It's ideal for users looking for a balance between features and budget. While it doesn't have the advanced technology of higher-end models, it's an excellent mid-range flosser that provides reliable performance for daily use. The key downside is its slightly bulky design compared to other portable units, but overall, it's one of the best options for under $25. Taking the number 3 spot is the COSLUS Water Dental Flosser Teeth Pick, priced at $29.98. This model builds upon the features of the budget C30 version, offering an upgraded experience. With its advanced dual-thread water pulse technology, pulsating at 1,400 to 1,800 times per minute, it promises to remove up to 3 times more plaque compared to traditional flossing methods. The 300 milliliter water tank is BPA-free and extra large, reducing the need for frequent refills while delivering up to 90 seconds of cleaning time per use. Additionally, it boasts a remarkable 30-day battery life on a 3-hour charge, making it perfect for travel. The design is sleek, ergonomic, and lightweight, ensuring a comfortable grip during use. It includes 5 interchangeable tips for different cleaning needs, making it a versatile choice for families or individuals with specific oral care requirements. The IPX7 waterproof rating allows for safe use in the shower, and the flosser has a durable build with a 3-year lifespan claim. Performance-wise, it excels at removing debris from tight spaces, making it suitable for braces, implants, and sensitive gums. However, like its budget counterpart, it doesn't include an adapter for charging, which might be inconvenient for some users. The COSLUS C20 strikes a great balance between price and functionality. At under $30, it offers features that compete with higher-end models, making it a strong contender for users seeking a reliable and efficient water flosser without breaking the bank. Its only minor drawback is the lack of advanced pressure customization found in premium options, but overall, it's a fantastic value for the price. In the runner-up position at number 2 is the Nicwell Water Dental Flosser Teeth Pick, priced at $28.48. This flosser is packed with advanced features, including ultra-fine double-thread water pulse technology that delivers 1,400 to 1,800 pulses per minute for a deep and effective clean. Its customizable cleaning experience is a standout feature, offering 4 modes and 11 adjustable intensity levels to cater to sensitive gums, braces, and other specific dental needs. The memory function ensures your preferred settings are saved, simplifying your routine. The Nicwell flosser is well-designed, with a 200 milliliter detachable water tank that is easy to clean and refill. It's lightweight and portable, perfect for travel or daily use at home. Its IPX7 waterproof rating allows for safe use in the shower, and the battery life extends up to 30 days on a single charge. The inclusion of 5 nozzle attachments, including a tongue scraper and orthodontic tips, enhances its versatility for comprehensive oral care. However, its smaller water tank, compared to other models, may require more frequent refills during use. Performance-wise, the Nicwell flosser delivers exceptional results, effectively removing plaque and improving gum health. It's ideal for users seeking a customizable and versatile flosser. The key drawback is its slightly lower tank capacity, but its advanced features and affordable price make it a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a reliable and efficient water flosser under $30. Finally, claiming the top spot at number 1 is the Waterpik Cordless Advanced 2.0 Water Flosser, priced at $78.54. If you're looking for the best of the best, this premium flosser delivers a superior cleaning experience. As the first water flosser to earn the ADA seal of acceptance, it's backed by dental professionals for its proven effectiveness in removing up to 99.9% of plaque bacteria. Its 360-degree rotating tip ensures thorough cleaning, even reaching back teeth with ease. With 3 pressure settings and precision pulse technology, it offers safe and effective cleaning for gums, braces, and implants. In terms of design, the Waterpik Cordless Advanced stands out with its sleek build and premium feel. The 7-ounce removable reservoir is dishwasher-safe for easy cleaning, and the waterproof design makes it shower-friendly. It includes 4 interchangeable tips, a microfiber travel bag, and a tip storage case, making it perfect for those constantly on the go. The rapid magnetic USB charger and LED recharge indicator add to its convenience, while the battery life lasts up to 4 weeks per charge. The only downside is its higher price point, but considering the advanced features, dentist backing, and overall performance, it's worth every penny for those who prioritize premium quality. Ideal for users with specific dental needs or those seeking the best available technology, the Waterpik Cordless Advanced is the ultimate water flosser for maintaining impeccable oral hygiene. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.